Baking bread is baking bread. Onion rye bread. 250 grams of finely minced onions. 50 grams of lard. 500 grams of rye flour. 40 grams of yeast. 250 milliliters of warm milk. 1 teaspoon each of sugar and salt. 50 minutes of baking time. At a temperature of 220 degrees Celsius. The onions are cooked in the hot lard and then allowed to cool. Make a well in the center of a basin after sifting the flour. Combine the yeast and sugar in a few tablespoons of warm milk. Then add the mixture to the flour pit and stir. The yeast piece should be covered and given some time to rise. Add the remaining milk, salt, and cooled onions gradually while mixing the dough thoroughly. Until it is elastic and begins to pull away from the bowl. Dust with flour, wrap in a cloth, and allow to rise in a warm location for approximately a half hour. Once the dough has doubled in size, give it one more knead on a floured surface, before shaping it into a circular loaf. Place it on a prepared baking sheet. Form into a star with a wooden spoon handle. And cover with a cloth that has been lightly dusted with flour. Allow to rise for 35 minutes, in a warm location. After brushing with water, enter it in the preheated oven, on the center rail. Give it an half cup of water. Finally, water should be brushed on the baked bread. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give me a like and subscribe so you don't miss any baking recipes. Baking bread is baked bread, baking bread with butter. While butter and baking bread, and butter bread wouldn't be bad.